Alrighty, good morning everyone. So we are all loaded up for Grassroots. We're going to go grab the 240 here in just a moment once the Lexus is a little bit warmed up. It is 7:38, way too early for me, but we're awake and we're alive. I got a little pick-me-up here, so should be a good day. Hopefully we can at least win one battle today. So let's see what happens and stay tuned. To the truck, we got all tucked in. Car is ready to go. Got the Lexus, got my dad who drove the Lexus, and we're still waiting to figure out what the layout is, but looking like a good day. Also, the fair is coming, so we got some fair rides down over there. It should be a good day. So car looking good, and I got tires swapped over. And I did forget my half-inch impact, but we made it work with the 3/8, so we're all good to go. I'd say I felt pretty good. Not sure though,
practice went okay. I definitely could have done better, but it's okay. So we're gonna try to do our best in our first battle. We got a Mustang, so hopefully I don't die or get crashed into. As you guys did see, I did break and lose a mirror, so that's cool. I landed in my lap. Probably saw that clip, but got a first battle with a Mustang, so wish me luck. So battle is out of the way. I did not get the win, unfortunately. I think that was due to me giving too much space on my chase and initiating too late on my chase as well. I caught up pretty quick in the infield, but the beginning is the most important part. And for my lead, I hit a cone, and I think I had a weird bobble here and there, but till next time, we'll try again. So I am swapping the wheels over, but I guess at some point today, someone did dent my car here. I just popped the dent out, but someone did give me a little love tap right here on the quarter, so, but it popped out the trunk, so we're good. Swapping the wheels back, probably gonna head out after I got the loss. I know I need to improve on, and we're gonna work on that. Oh, but I think this one is also from a tire, but it might be from a cone, because it looks pretty similar to this one. I know cones do this mostly. That looks like tire, so. Guys, so we did make it back from the track. So I'm gonna do a little battle summary or something like that. Little summary of what happened here. Stuff, no more mirror. It's okay, we can live with that. I noticed this bumper mark here, tire mark, not too shabby. And then we got this one over here, which actually dented the quarter a little bit, and a little bit of something right here, a little bit there, but it's fine. It's fast, hopefully that'll cover it all. I think this side of the car came out pretty unscathed. The car drove as well as it could. I think I need to make some adjustments as a driver, as well as make some adjustments to the car. The thing I think I really need to do is get some new adjustable arms in the rear. The ones that are currently in there are seized. So get some new arms, maybe dial in the rear alignment to help with speed and grip and everything like that. Make the car a little bit faster, maybe give me a little bit of some competitiveness. Right now I'm just a stock KA. But here is the mirror. So they get new glass for it and pop it back in, because everything on this side is still good. It's just the mirror itself or the glass. Then to sum up my first and only competition run of the day, I definitely think I had a good lead besides hitting a couple cones, which I know you're not supposed to do, but I definitely feel like I was in the zones for the most part, didn't have too many mistakes. The chase, I was a little worried Hearing that the guy had spun in practice and he can be a little bit of a wild driver. He's definitely a good driver, but can be a little wild sometimes, and I was a little scared. I need to definitely get over that and just drive. I feel like if I had a better chase, I would have had either one more time, or which would have felt better about the loss. But we're just going to keep improving and keep on driving more. I think there's another Grassroots coming up another month or so, so I'll try it out again. We're going to go for that one win, and then from there we'll just go up. But for now, we're going to try to get that win. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy these videos, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.